Good evening to everyone. My name is Vidyas. Today I want to narrate one story. The story is about the greediness. People have a greediness. That's the reason. People. That's the reason I want to tell this story about the greediness. One of the king, his name is John. He is the king of one kingdom. He have everything in our life, in his life, but he always has a greediness. One day he thought that I can ask the God, which is a precious in this world. Then he went to the forest and he started praying to the God. He was prayed continuously to the God, and the God was appeared there. The God was what you want, you can ask me. He told us, God, please give me the precious thing in this world. I want that. The God said, I don't know what is the precious in this world. You can ask whatever you want, I will be giving you. The John, the king was asked to the God, I want a gold touch power. The God was given him. Given him a power, and he was very happy, and he went to his kingdom. And firstly, he went to her bedroom, and when he entered in the bedroom, first he wanted to touch his bed. When he was touched his bed, it is converted into gold. He felt very happy, and he started touching everything in his bedroom. First he was touched at curtains, and whatever is in the room, he was touched that. He converted everything into the gold. And he want to touch everything in a complete kingdom. After some time, he was getting hungry. He want to eat fruits. He want to eat something. He getting the hungry. He ordered to the servant to get some delicious foods. When the servants bring the food, when he want to eat, when he touched the food, it was converted in the gold. Then he thought, oh my God, I can't eat with my hands. So he ordered another order again to his servant, and the servant was bring the food again, and he ordered to the servant to keep the food directly in her mouth, not in her hand. Then he was completed her lunch. He completed his lunch, and after some time he was very happy about the magic which the God was given to him. After some time, his daughter came near to him, and in happiness he didn't remember that he have that type of magic. Whichever metal he will touch, it will be converted in the gold. He didn't remember that, and directly he hugged to his daughter. But his daughter was converted into gold. He thought that, oh my God, this is not a good thing. My daughter was converted into gold. I don't want the gold girl. I want my girl. So he started crying, and he don't want the power then, because the power is not everything. I want my daughter. Again he went to the forest and start crying, and he start the prayer for the God. He start again the crying. The God was again appears there. The God was appears there again. The God was asked him, what happened, John? Last time only I was given you the precious thing in the world. Again, why you called me? John was told, no God, I don't want this power. Please take this power back, because I want my daughter. Power is not important. I don't want this power. The God was taken the power back. After that, his daughter was taken again birth. Again he was getting the birth, and he was thankful to the God. And he think on that day the greediness is not good in our life. Whatever we should whatever have in our life, we have to be satisfied in that only. The story is about the greediness. And thank you.
Nice.